Alright, what's up everyone? I am back for another video. I know it's been a long time since I posted something and I am sorry, I apologize. I was really waiting for my cord to be done from the body shop, but it is not. Clearly, it's not in the driveway, sadly, anywhere. I have my older cord though, but not my newer cord. So I actually got some updates about a week ago, and they said that they're waiting on two parts. One for the airbag system, well actually both for the airbags. One's a seatbelt tensioner and one's the airbag module itself, which they're on back order, intergalactic back order. Who knows when I'm gonna get my car. So I was like, I have the older cord, I can make some content with it, so I'm actually gonna do something with it today. So as you can tell, I got my bristle spot cleaned right here. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, okay, got that. I got a drill brush and I got my chemical. So we're actually gonna clean these floors. As y'all can tell, the color of the carpet, what it's supposed to be versus what it is. Now, a mechanic owned this before I did, and I was a mechanic as well, so I'm not gonna say that some of those footprints weren't mine, but we're gonna try to see if we can't get that stuff out. So if y'all stick with me, I'll see if I can't get this stuff out, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did and show y'all the results. I haven't done any of it, so y'all gonna see as I do it for the video. So here we go.
Action. Action.
All right, y'all, so I'm gonna get started with pulling out the seat first, because it's a lot easier to work with the seat out, because I'm gonna do the seats too. So I'm gonna show y'all just one side, because basically, I mean, you mirror the other side with whatever I do, same process. So I'm gonna do the driver's side because it's the worst, and that's where I sit. So especially in that corner, that's where I really want to get down. I don't know if you can see down in that corner right next to the gas pedal. Yeah, right there. So because when I'm driving, if I'm wearing light colored shoes, my foot rubs against the side of it, it's gonna dirty up my shoes, and I don't want that. So 3/8 impact, well, electric ratchet, 14 side socket. I'm gonna take off all 4 bolts. So okay, you got 4 bolts. You got one right there, and then 2 up front. So hold that. Break these off. Sorry, headphone users, it's kind of loud. Get those 2 out. And close that. Put the seat all the way back, and then you got 2 right here up front. So you got one right there, other one right there. Oh, there. So I'm gonna get those off real quick, and then I don't think the seat has ever came out of this car. That's how you do that. So you're gonna have, since my car is so old, I only have 1 wire up under here. As you can tell right here, 1 wire, and that goes to the seat belt, so it lights up the, what do you call it, the dash whenever the seat belt's not clicked in. That's the only wire I have on here. A lot of the newer vehicles have airbag wires that go up under the seats, just because, you know, you got airbags in the seats now. So I didn't disconnect the battery personally, just because, like I said, it's not airbag related. It just goes to the seat chime. If you do have a newer vehicle that has yellow, most of the time they're yellow connectors, do disconnect your airbag. Do disconnect the battery so that your airbags don't have a potential of going off, because there's no electricity going to them. So just tip. Oh, let me unplug this. Oh, I scratched my seat. I'm probably gonna go out the back seat. Maybe. There we go. So that was easier to go out the back for me than it was anywhere else. Look at that right there. Whew, that was difficult. All right.
How long do you have an air freshener?
Yeah. Who knows how long the air freshener is sitting there. So now I can just get in here And to be honest, I really need to vacuum this. I'm actually gonna vacuum this real quick. I'll be back. So I got my vacuum right here.
Action.
Alright, so with it being vacuumed now, I'll vacuum the rest later. For video purposes, up here. Big difference in color of the carpet. Green, where it's like the bluish green, how it's supposed to be. Black. Which is not what I want. So, I got my chemical right here. I did about up to here in water, and the rest of it is the chemical, which is, it's Mr. Clean, if anyone wants to know. All-purpose cleaner. That's it. Just water in the cleaner. But if I guess like an 80-20 mix, something like that. So I'm gonna saturate it all down. Everything. I'm gonna have the connector down in there. Let all this marinate. Especially up there. Alright. A few more spritz for a good added measure. Never hurt nobody. It's gonna be real soapy. So, now that I did that, I got my handy dandy drill brush. Got these off of Amazon. Cheap, relatively simple. So just attach it to a drill and get to brushing. So it's hot. Let me adjust this up as high as it'll go to. Get out of my way. See how good this thing does. Alright, now if y'all ask me, I know, dirty. If y'all ask me, that already looks a lot cleaner. So, just cause I feel like it's not soapy enough, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Really get it in there. And I mean, you might have to do 2 passes just because how deep the stains are embedded. Like that looks like rust stains right there. So I mean, that might not come out as much, but I'm gonna definitely try my best to get out all these oil stains the best I can. You just gotta really agitate it. I mean, drill brush, any like hard bristle brush. Well, you don't want to go too hard of a bristle, just you don't want to tear up your carpet. These are relatively soft, so won't hurt nothing. for the extraction part. I've let it sit, marinate. I drill brushed it. I'm gonna go with my bristle. I think it's called the little green machine or the green machine on Amazon. I'll link it down in my bio so y'all can find it if y'all want to buy it. It was roughly around $100. For spot cleaning, I think it'd be pretty good. I mean, it's got this attachment and it's got another smaller attachment on it, so depending on where you need to get into. So I guess we'll find out and see how well this thing does. So start it up. Oh, are y'all ready? What is it? Whew. So I can tell I'm sweating. It's hot. If y'all can tell the difference of how that looked before versus how it looks now, it's getting a little dark, but in my opinion, I mean, that's what it's supposed to look like. That was black before. All right, y'all, so as I was saying, the camera cut off on me, battery died. Look, it's crazy. Like I said, y'all can't really see too well. Hold on. Let me see. Let me get my phone out real quick. Shine some light on this for y'all. Look at this. Look. Sheesh. Look at that. The back and the front match now. So, got my little cap wrench right here. So yeah, like I was saying, I think the machine did pretty good for what it is. I mean, it's a $100 machine. I mean, I know there's a lot more expensive machines to do this exact thing, but for just the everyday person that wants to, you know, kind of clean up the car a little bit better, this machine works great. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up cleaning up this side of the car, the carpets. I'm gonna do the other side of the carpets, and I'm actually gonna do a part 2 on my seat. So this driver's seat, I'm gonna do the passenger seat. I mean, as you can tell, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, see, look, he likes it too. But yeah, so we're gonna do a part 2 on the seats. Gonna get both of the seats done, the front and the front, driver front, passenger front, and then the rear bench seat. I'm gonna do all of them, the whole entire inside of the car. Like I said, probably gonna do, actually, now that I think about it, I got some parts coming in for this. I'm gonna do a little series on fixing up the car. It needs a master cylinder. Went out on it. Squishy brake pedal. Timing belt, water pump, tensioners. I'm gonna do the axles on it. I'm gonna do the clutch on it. Because I'm actually going on a trip soon, so I gotta get it ready because I'm not gonna have my other car. So that's why I'm working on it now. Yeah. So I mean, there's nothing else I got. I'm gonna finish doing this, and I'm gonna make another video, like I said, on the seats, part 2. So like, comment, subscribe. I mean, it really helps. I really enjoy y'all commenting. It really helps when y'all like the video and share it. So if y'all could drop a like for me.